Right now, I really want to wear my glasses, but the ring light and that will look crazy. So we just gonna have to work without the glasses today. Welcome to DIY Saturday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you savvy naturalistas and Arizona, welcome to another episode of DIY Saturday. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana, our awesome family. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, you guys. And make sure you thumbs up this video. In this episode of DIY Saturday, we are making a Unicorn Frappuccino Body Scrub DIY. I am so excited to make this body scrub. Side note, it does look like spring colors. So if you would like to make this for like Easter giveaway, it will be so perfect and so epic, you guys, to make this tutorial. So anyways, let's go make this really cool, epic Unicorn Frappuccino Body Scrub, and let's go! So you want to start off with a cup of sugar, and that's a cup of granulated sugar. And then we're going to do 3/4 cup of granulated sugar as well. So this is a 1/4 cup. You guys should know that by now. You know I never had the right utensils. So I'm just getting the clumps out. Now I'm going to do a tablespoon of kaolin clay and mix that into the granulated sugar as well. And once I mix it in really, really well, I'm going to add 20 to 40 drops of glycerin. After I add my glycerin, I'm going to add my Miracle Glow oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural 24 karat gold. Now we're going to put 10 to 20 drops of essential oils that you've seen, and we're going to use a cup of oil to mix that all together. And now we're just going to mix that all together. So I used a blend of fragrance oil. The fragrance oil blend I used was a cake scent and a cotton candy scent. However, you could just buy both fragrance oils and mix them together in different ratios and see what you like. So once it's mixed up, I'm doing a 1/2 cup of each batter. So it's a cup, 1/2 cup of each batter, and I'm using a 1/4 cup. Now you could, if you don't like the cup of oil, I would suggest you start off with 3/4 cup of oil first, so it doesn't look too moist, because this was a really moist scrub. And if you don't like a really oily, not moist but oily scrub, then I suggest that you use 3/4 cup of oil first. And I use sunflower oil. And then once you use that 3/4 cup of sunflower oil, then you can work your way up to another 1/4 cup, and that'll make a cup. So right now you just see me mixing in the micas. And this is the colors that reminded me of a Frappuccino body scrub, you guys. So that's why I use these: pink, blue, and red. And now we're just going to alternate the colors. You can do this however you like, whichever you like first. I just picked blue. Then I picked green. I'm not blue. Then I picked purple. And then I picked pink. So I'm just alternating them between the two to make it look really, really well. And this is really the easy part. But I truly enjoy color coordinating colors together for scrubs. But like I said, if you don't like a soupy scrub, start off with a 3/4 cup of oil. Thanks so much for watching this episode of DIY Saturday. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in our next episode. Bye, you guys.